Folks, for the first time, YourStory Fabulous Workplace is stepping out of Bangalore. Today, we are in Chennai at the office of one of the fastest growing SaaS companies of the world, Freshdesk. In its 5 years of existence, this is their 7th office. So let's get in to meet the Freshdesk team and listen to their journey from a 1,000 square feet office to a 60,000 square feet fabulous workplace.
We started in October 2010. We have grown from 6 people in September 2011 to around 400 people now. For me, today building Freshdesk is very much like building a product. The only difference is I would say culture is the user experience for the employees and customer support is the user experience for the customers. We just believe in one simple philosophy. We want people to be happy, and when I say happy at work, it's not just the environment that gives the happiness, but the work that people do actually gives them happiness on a daily basis.
It was just an impulse decision saying like yes. It's just like what he has in his room, Godfather quote behind him saying like I will give you an offer that you can't refuse. So
we put a lot of emphasis on understanding what is the core talent of the person and then trying to match the role that they would play at Freshdesk to that core talent.
The biggest thing that we look for when we bring in these people is not whether they know a particular programming language or whether they have sales experience. What we look for is, do they have ownership, do they have passion, do they have that interest in learning something and making a difference.
The ease with which you can approach anybody here makes it the best workplace according to me.
For each role, we have defined traits. So a salesperson has to be a natural talker. They have to make you feel happy after the conversation.
Hi Kevin, this is Tanvi from Freshdesk. How are you doing?
Yeah, very well, thank you.
Now, I can decide which ticket has to be made primary, which would mean that's open and I can go ahead and work on it, and the rest would be closed.
The culture here, it's not only about the flexibility or the startup coolness, it's mostly about the professional freedom which you get to work for. You know, people are free to make mistakes and learn from them.
we have a WTF board there. It's anonymous, so you don't even have to give your name there. But if you have a problem, just mention it there. It will be taken care of.
I can communicate my opinions to my senior members. No matter if he is the CEO of the company or my manager, I have the freedom to talk whatever I want.
So we managed to retain our culture, how we were when we were say 20 employees to where we are now at 400. Pretty much the core of our culture is intact.
We have an online technical test which starts off, as the first round of screening. After that, we have 3 technical rounds followed by an HR round. So we try and ensure all the rounds happen on the same day. So when somebody is selected, we give the offer letter right away.
We try to hire people, who are smart and who have the core talent to do a creative role. We are very analytical about results, and every activity that we do every day, we track, we measure, and we make sure that if we are going to continue, to do that again, it is bringing some sort of value to us.
The guy I gave a demo 4 years back, he reached out to me just last week saying like, I'm moving to a new school district. I would want to take Freshdesk with me, and you were the guy who gave the demo, so I want you to give a demo to my school district. Customer remembers you, so you have to have that kind of relation with your customer. Even if it's 4 years or 10 years, it's a good thing to have.
I wanted a job where I didn't just have to go there and be present throughout the day. I wanted to do something that matters. And here I write code that touches the lives of so many people.
The world knows that Rajni is the brand ambassador for Chennai and Tamil Nadu. We wanted to have elements of Chennai in our office.
For the first time in Fabulous Workplace series, we are in an office which has a mini golf course and a bio wall as well.
The way they care for the employees is the primemost factor where Freshdesk differentiates. They make sure that we are fed well.
The days of the individual star are gone. So to build a company, you need a team.
Freshdesk! Hi, this is Francesca from YourStory, and today we are at Simply Learn's office.
One thing that stands out very clearly in this organization is the entrepreneurial culture that exists.
उनको तो celebrate करना चाहिए, उनको तो time पर salary मिल जाती है,
दिन में सिर्फ एक टाइम खाना खाता हूँ, वो भी मैगी। सीरियसली यार, आजकल तो जब भी वो लोग मुंह खोलते हैं डर लगता है कौन सी नई आफत आ गई।